What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Financial Freedom Builders, where every conversation moves you one decision closer to financial freedom. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe to the page. Top comment below gets you access into the 10X challenge. We've announced already 2 hot investments that we did for this challenge, and we are already up north of 4 figures in just literally 2 weeks. So just jump in. We walk you through the steps, tell you exactly what you need to do to partake in this, and you can start making transformational money for you and your family. But let's get right into it. So we're going to take a break and pivot from the stock market and move into another sector that I'm a really big fan of. It has made me transformational money, and it's going to do it again for those that understand the game plan, and it is none other than cryptocurrency. So from the beginning of this year, we were at $87,000 on Bitcoin, which is, of course, the leading cryptocurrency there. In our 2026 forecast, we host every month on the 4th Tuesday at 7:30 within Financial Freedom Builders. We host a monthly masterclass for all of our community members. And in December, we always provide a prediction of what we call is the forecast for the upcoming year. At the end of December, we alerted the community when Bitcoin was $87,000 that at some point this year, Bitcoin would touch at least $59,000. Not only has it done it 2 times already during this year, but it has already touched as low as $56,000. And so we have seen crypto go through what's called the crypto winter. There is a cycle every 4 years where we get the halving in Bitcoin, and then we go through the markup phase where we get the euphoria, the run up, and then ultimately the markdown distribution, and then the crypto winter. So we have been in a corrective journey for several months. And I'm here to tell you today that although nobody is really talking about Bitcoin a whole lot and cryptocurrency as a whole, we are nearing what we believe is the bottom of the crypto winter. Now, everything we say on this video is not financial advice, but is strictly for education and entertainment purposes only. However, if you listen closely to what we're telling you, you can make significant money on what we believe is about to become the bounce back up rally in Bitcoin. Now, when Bitcoin returns and it breaks through some of these levels that we're going to talk about today, this will give us confirmation that cryptocurrency is ready to move. But I'm going to give you the true barometer of true correction and reversal of crypto back upwards, and it won't be Bitcoin, but stick around. So Bitcoin now we are seeing in the mid 60s, around $64,000, and it's kind of struggling to kind of keep going higher. However, we have bounced from $56,000 to $64,000, which is a pretty significant swing. What we want to do is clear the proverbial $69,000, which has always been a historical level of resistance, then turn support, now back to resistance. So we need to clear the $69,000, $70,000 level to continue upwards in Bitcoin. Now, we know that the last time Bitcoin ran up, it cleared 80,000, and somewhere around 82, 83,000, we saw the pending pullback, which took us from there back to 56,000. What we need to see is continuation and follow through these resistant levels above, and see Bitcoin resurface itself and try to reclaim $98,000. Now, that is a journey in of itself. We have other factors such as MicroStrategy and Michael Saylor with all of their companies and buying and selling of Bitcoin. So we are seeing Bitcoin kind of being tossed and turned around. So if we're going to see crypto as a whole reverse, coin, although it is the strongest crypto, may not truly be the leading indicator of a true reversal. And I'm here to tell you that the crypto you really need to keep your eye on is Ethereum. Ethereum currently right now is about $1,700 or $1,800. And we've seen Ethereum already make a new all-time high last year during this cycle. And then it had a strong reversal back down. And then now it's been struggling to reclaim some of these levels. What we know with Ethereum historically is that when Ethereum runs, then see what's called altcoin season begin. So the XRPs, the Solanas, Ondo Finance, Sui, all these other cryptos that usually run right with Ethereum and other industries such as NFTs, usually we see their day in the sun when Ethereum starts to make its run. So what we need to do is see Ethereum reclaim $2,500. Once it does, it will start to carry the entire market in crypto, including Bitcoin, at a slower pace forward. And as Ethereum clears some of these levels and makes a new all-time high, a lot of these altcoins will come to life, and some of them will make all-time highs, including one we have had our eye on for several months, which is none other than Cardano, ADA. Cardano did not make its all-time high during the last alt season run, where all the other cryptos made all-time highs. This one did not, which means that on the next move up, this will be the time for Cardano to take its step forward and make a new all-time high, which was originally $3.20, and it is currently today 18 cents. Do the math, seek the opportunity on that one. One stock I'm going to leave you on the way out for you to sticking around this long. Of course, be sure to hit the like button for this video if you like the information we're providing. There is a stock connected to Ethereum that you may want to take note of, will help you make money with Ethereum in the stock market, is none other than ticker symbol SBETET. SBET has been a stock that we have liked for a long time, which is very connected to Thomas Lee. Tom Lee, again, a very known investor, created Bitmine and SBET, these companies that will make a run forward. And so if you think Ethereum is going to make a new all-time high, then Bitmine, BMNR, and SBET will be in line to also make new all-time highs. SBET is currently about $5.10. To get back to all-time highs, it got to get to nearly $30, which is a 6x from here. So imagine seeing Ethereum run back to make a new all-time high from here, which would be an over 100% gain. We've already talked about the potential from Cardano going from 18 cents to $3.20. And then lastly, getting a 6x from SBET at $5, getting it back to $30. That is the opportunity in front of us over the next 12 to 18 months with cryptocurrency as it bottoms in its crypto winter, working its way back up. The question is are you going to take advantage of the opportunity in front of you? And that's what countless people have been able to do in the 10x challenge. Top link below will get you access into the challenge. We will give you the steps so you can start making money with us. And the second link below is going to get you access to Freedom Builders Academy, which is a self-paced online financial literacy certification course that you can take with your family at your own pace and be able to make transformational wealth with life-changing information. On your way out, hit the like button, subscribe to the page, and we'll talk to you on the next one.